So now today we have a remote job here, and this job is training AI, and the website offering this job is Stellar AI. So what you basically do here is to train AI and get paid. This video is going to be a short one, so I want you to watch from beginning to the end. Like and subscribe, and comment down below your experience, and are you going to try this out? All right. So now what you basically do here is to find the AI jobs that suits you based on your CV or your resume templates, what you have in there, and then look for the one that best, speaks volume about you, and then you get paid here. All right. So this is Stellar, and as you can see, it said, find work of your unique skills. Like I said, you are going to apply for works based on your skills, based on what you can do. All right. So now it said, contribute to improving AI, earn $25 per hour plus with flexible hours remotely. All right, so you can see people here that are exploring those jobs. All what you need to do is to apply for this job. If you get qualified, or if you are qualified or you get shortlisted, then you can start working, start training AI, and you know the result of your work, right? So let's explore the jobs and see how it is. So now I click on explore, and it brought me to this interface as you can see on the screen. Discover available positions. Find the best role that matches your skills and aspiration. All right. So as you can see, senior software engineer, and you can see the amount that is being paid if you are qualified. Remember, this is not sure, only if you are qualified. Okay. And another thing is that not just AI positions that are here, maybe probably training AI positions are here. No, you can find other jobs also. And this one here is machine learning engineer, and you can see the pay. And the third one we have on our list here is junior software engineer, and you can see it also. This one is generalist. And if you want to open it, you can open each one of them and find the one that best suits you. All right. So all what you need here is to sign in or sign up. So now to apply for this particular job, okay, let's go back to the openings. So as you can see, these are the openings. So right now, let's explore these jobs and let's see. Now this is the junior software engineer, and you can see the pay right here. And this job was posted January 21 to 26. All right. I think that is about 3 days back now, right? Okay. So as you can see, all you need to do is to read, all right, read through and know what the job entails, and see their compensation here. As you can see, it's $5 per hour after passing the qualification. Understand, you must pass the qualification. So if you did not pass the qualification, or if you do not pass the qualification, this pay is not going to be allocated to you. All right. Now, option to move to a 20-hour per week guarantee hours contract. Now, responsibility, you are to teach AI agents how to develop web apps. So if you are a software engineer, congratulations in advance, because I'm expecting you to apply for this job and hopefully you get shortlisted. All right. So you're going to teach AI agents how to develop web apps. All right. So, and another thing is to implement web features for correctness and edge case. And the last responsibility here is for you to write clear documentation of finding and rationale. So all this is your responsibility. And look at the requirements here: bachelor's degree in computer science. So if what you study in school is purely computer science, then hopefully you are qualified. Then you need to have 2 years experience of software engineer. All right. And then you must be familiar with at least one programming language. So if you have this and you have excellent writing communication skills, ability to write good question and incorporate feedback, if you have this, then apply for this role. Now let's in 1 minute look at another job here. Now, this particular job here, this senior software engineer, is basically for New Zealand, South Africa, oh sorry, South America, and I think in other countries. Nigerians are not accepted here, and some African countries also is not accepted for this job position. So check it out. If your location is the same as what they needed here, you can apply, right? So this generalist, okay, let's take a look at this generalist to see what they are doing here. He said we are looking for versatile individual who bring diverse skills and experience to our team. You understand? So what they are looking for: adaptability, ability to adapt on different type of task. So quick learning, enthusiasm for picking up new skills, then problem solving, communication skills, and all of that. I think this role is basically for everybody if you have all these qualities, all right, because it's called a generalist role, all right. So you can actually apply here, and the pay is not okay. This is the pay right here. So hopefully you get shortlisted, right? Okay, so you can check all these because I don't want this video to be too long. So you can check all of this role if you are not going for the junior software engineer. I think this generalist is basically for everybody, and locations are not mentioned. That shows it's global. So you can apply for this job and wait for them to shortlist or send you a congratulatory message. So basically that is how it's. Yes, so if you are one of the people that applied for Micro One job and you were shortlisted, you were hired, congratulations, because when I posted the job, actually not on YouTube, but in my community, some of my people were shortlisted, some of them got a job. I'm happy for you guys, and the role is still available. You can join my Telegram community. I'll be leaving the link in the pinned comments of this video so you can join and ask for the link to Micro One job, and the link will be right there. You can scroll down immediately you join the community, scroll and check the pinned comment. I will be leaving it as a pinned comment there, so check it and apply. Then the resume, for you to apply for any AI job, you must have a CV that is ATS friendly, all right, ATS friendly. And in my last video, okay, the video I made in my Rumble channel, I'll be leaving the link to my Rumble channel also. Do well to follow me also on Rumble. So I talk about the templates for you to use and draft out your CV with the help of Chat GPT. So I'll be leaving that link also. Do well to follow me there and take a look at the video, and if there is anything you don't understand, chat in the community and I'll be right there to reply you. The next website on our list is Aristo Sourcing. So this particular website are hiring remote job workers for virtual assistants, customer care support, operation support, marketing assistants, social media manager, and all of that. So you can actually check on them. So all you need to do is to check on this menu icon here, click on it to take you to this place, and you click on jobs. Now this particular website is global friendly, all right, but most of their jobs is allocated to the South Africans and the US people, all right. So you can check here every time to see if Nigerians are, if there is openings for Nigerians, all right. So as you can see it here, okay, you can basically see that South Africans are needed here. So as you can see, clinical auditor, apartment manager, AI product, full stack developer. All right, so you can apply for any of these roles. You can see recruiter, you can see marketing automation specialist, graphic design. To some of you in my community, that is good when it comes to graphic design. If you are in South Africa, you can apply for this job here, and make sure that you check. Okay, now this is Philippine also. This is job for Philippines. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry for the background noise. So this is for Philippines. This one is for South Africans. You can see YouTube strategies. All right. So this is video editor and motion design. So this one is for Philippines. This one is for Thailand. This one is for Malaysia. Okay. So most times there are ones for Nigerians, and you can see people like I and you that is currently hired here. You can see them. So if you are from any of those countries, you can try your luck and apply for this role. I hope that you get shortlisted. All right. So basically, that is how it works. First job opening I shared, which is the generalist, you can try that out and see if you will be accepted here. Thank you. Do well to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and do well to join my Telegram community, because there are some updates I do not release it here on YouTube but in my Telegram community. Take good care of yourself and have a nice time. See you in my next video. Bye.